Cooking with Mo. Okay, so what we're gonna do tonight is a very quick video. It's late, you guys, so excuse my appearance, but it's late, and my son and I were kind of trying to think of like a little midnight snack or whatever. So we're gonna make some donuts really quickly. So we're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 donuts, 5 donut holes, and we're gonna make these with the canned biscuits. It's a off-brand biscuit or whatever that I use. You don't have to use any particular brand. You can get the kind with the butter. You can get the flaky kind. You can get name brand. You can get non-brand, whatever. Anything you want. So anyway, like I said, I have a 5-pack here, and what I did, I've already made little donuts or whatever with those, and I'll show you how I did that. I'm taking the biscuit. These were not the big ones, that's why I'm kind of spreading it out. These were the smaller ones, so it wasn't like grands or anything like that. And then I have this little thing right here, and I'm just gonna go in the middle of it and use it like a cookie cutter and just cut the middle out, just like that. So you're left with a donut and a donut hole. And we're gonna fry all of these. And then I have a little icing that I made, and I will give you the ingredients for the icing. And then I have some powdered sugar and cinnamon that I mixed up, and I'll tell you the amounts on that as well. So I have my my oil at medium-high heat. That's on, I have like numbers on mine, so it's on number 5. I have it on medium-high heat, and I'm just going to fry these up to their golden brown on both sides. So if you come a little closer, I'll start with a donut. Just drop that in just like that. Okay. And it's going to fry up rather quickly. And as soon as you see it start to brown, you can go ahead and flip it. Start to brown, go ahead and flip it. It doesn't take long at all. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put another one in. And the first one is coming out. I'm going to put it on the rack there. You can drain these on paper towels if you like. Go in with another one. Ooh, that one folded up a little bit, but that's okay. You can just push it out. And flip. That one got a little dark, but it's okay. I'll go ahead and lay that one in. And these, like I said, they fry up rather quickly. They don't take long to get done at all. When they start to puff up like that, then you know that they're pretty much done on the inside. And now I'm gonna put in the little, whoops. I laid that one on top of the thing, on top of the donut. I'm gonna put in the little 5 donut holes. Okay, and see how that puffs up like that? And as soon as they puff up and get brown, like I said, you can flip them. I had to change hands for a second, I got tired. And you guys, I'm sorry that I haven't put out a video in a while. My son has been under the weather. He's my main cameraman. Or he's my only cameraman, really. And I've been under the weather as well. It's starting to get cold here where I live. And you know how it is when it starts to get cold. Your body just takes a little while to adjust. And we have both been a little sick. So that's my main reason for not posting. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Take that off the stove. And then we're gonna go over to the table. Okay. Okay, so here I have some powdered sugar and cinnamon. I use 1/3 cup powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And here I have a little icing that I made. I used 1 cup of milk. No, I'm sorry. 1 cup of powdered sugar and 4 tablespoons of milk. And I use the canned Carnation milk rather than regular white milk because I just like the flavor of it. So we're gonna take these donuts and just cover them with powdered sugar. Just like that. Kind of shake that off a little bit. We have a nice little powdered donut. Cinnamon and sugar. Okay. So we'll do 2 powdered and then we'll do the rest of them with the icing. And I'll take these little holes or whatever, roll them around in powdered sugar. It's easier to do this with your hands rather than with the fork. And my hands are clean. They hot though. This last one. And like I said, guys, this is gonna be a quick video because it's just a little snack, and I knew I hadn't posted in a while, so I just wanted to record it. So we're gonna take this icing here and just drizzle it over the donuts. And this is a good little snack. Like I said, you got the little the little canned biscuits or whatever, that was less than $1. And you have 5 donuts and 5 donut holes, and you can't tell me that you wouldn't spend a whole lot more money on a box of donuts. And I guarantee that this is, well, it's just as good to me. And it'll probably be just as good to you because you're making it yourself and it's hot and fresh. This is just like the Hot Light. That Krispy Kreme Hot Light. Now these may not be as soft as Krispy Kreme, but because those Krispy Kreme Hot Light donuts, man, they just kind of, you pick them up, they just melt in your mouth. But these are really good. And I'll just take one of these. That is good. It's nasty or you get powdered sugar on the sale, but it is so good. And I'll show you in the middle. Like, they're done. They're completely done. They don't take long. Like I said. That's it. Those are my donuts. Okay? So, thank you guys for tuning in. Again, I'm so sorry for not posting. Forgive my hands. I'm so sorry, you guys, for not posting in a while. I'm hoping that I can get back on track now. I actually did make a video, a macaroni and cheese video, but the quality of the video was very blurry, so I didn't feel comfortable posting it. And I had actually dedicated it to B Loves Life when she hit her 1 million subscribers. And it was like a little congratulations, you know, at the beginning of it, but I couldn't post it. I may, you know, when I re-record my macaroni and cheese video, I may go ahead and still dedicate that video to her, but I'm not sure because it's kind of so late. I mean, she's way over 1 million now, but anyway, the 1 million is still there, so I still may go ahead and give her congratulations. Anyway, please, you guys, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, give me some comments, some kind of feedback, and maybe let me know if you want to see me cook something, or if there's anything that you have questions about, comments, remarks, anything like that. Like I said, I thank you so much for tuning in, and come back again for another video. I love you guys so much, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.